After investing in a new door for your Miami Gardens home, it's natural to want it to look great and perform well for as long as possible. While modern replacement doors are built to withstand heat, humidity, and everyday wear, some seasonal maintenance can help extend their lifespan and keep them operating smoothly year-round. Miami Gardens' tropical climate, marked by hot summers, high humidity, and rainy seasons, makes regular care especially important. Here are simple, effective seasonal maintenance tips to help you protect your new doors and keep your home comfortable and secure through every season. Spring. Inspect, clean, and prepare for rainy weather. Spring in Miami Gardens often brings increased humidity and frequent rain showers. This is the perfect time to refresh your door and prepare it for the wetter months ahead. Spring maintenance tips. Clean the glass and frames using a mild soap and water solution to remove pollen, dust, and debris. Check weather stripping for wear or gaps. Spring storms can push water and warm air toward your door, so tight seals are important. Lubricate hinges and locks with a silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth operation. Inspect the threshold to confirm it's sealing correctly, preventing water and insects from entering. A little attention in spring helps your door stay strong and secure once the heavier summer weather rolls in. Summer. Protect against heat and humidity. Summer in Miami Gardens can be intense, bringing high temperatures, strong sun exposure, and humidity that tests every part of your home, including your doors. Even doors designed for coastal climates benefit from seasonal care. Summer maintenance tips. Check for swelling or stickiness in wood components. Although most replacement doors feature fiberglass or steel, wood trim can still expand with humidity. Ensure your door closes tightly. Hot, humid air can loosen screws or shift hardware over time. Apply UV-safe protectant, if recommended by your manufacturer, to porch doors, fiberglass doors, or painted finishes to prevent fading from sunlight. Verify caulking and exterior seals remain intact. Extreme heat can cause low-quality sealants to shrink or crack. Proper summer maintenance ensures your home stays cool, energy efficient, and protected during the hottest months. Fall. Prepare for storm season and temperature changes. Fall in Miami Gardens means hurricane season peaks and sudden shifts in weather become common. Making sure your door is storm-ready is essential. Fall maintenance tips. Inspect hardware and locking mechanisms to ensure everything is tight and secure, important during high winds. Clean and clear the door's drainage area, if your door has one, to prevent water buildup during heavy rain. Reapply exterior sealant around frames if you notice peeling or cracking. Check impact glass doors for signs of stress or frame movement after storms. These quick checks help ensure your new door continues to protect your home during the most active storm period. Winter. Keep moisture and drafts under control. While Miami Gardens doesn't experience harsh winters, the cooler months still bring lower humidity and occasional cold snaps. These shifts can affect how your door operates. Winter maintenance tips. Check for drafts by running your hand along the edges of the door. If air enters, your weather stripping may need adjustment. Clean tracks on sliding patio doors to keep them gliding smoothly. Sand and grit from fall storms can cause friction. Inspect door sweeps to ensure they're still sealing properly against outdoor air. Monitor indoor condensation, especially on glass patio doors, and adjust humidity levels if needed. Even mild winters can cause small issues that are easy to fix early. Final thoughts. Your new door is built to provide safety, comfort, and curb appeal, but giving it a little seasonal care keeps it performing at its best. By following Miami Gardens specific maintenance tips for spring, summer, fall, and winter, you'll prolong the life of your door, improve your home's energy efficiency, and protect your investment.